Team Forex Moguls. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, back again with another banger. Sengibuyile at it. So, namhlanje i-topic engizobe ngigxila kuyona ile ekhuluma about i-NFP and ukuthi why vele kahle kahle ibalulekile i-NFP. You ever wonder ukuthi mhlambe why njalo ngolesihlanu? Why? Njalo ngolesihlanu every first week of ulesihlanu. Why markets iba so volatile? That's because of i-NFP. So namhlanje I'm gonna dive in nginichazele about ukuthi yini le NFP kahle kahle. Isithini isitori sakhona. So let's get into it. So guys, first question obviously, what is NFP? So let me type it out. What is NFP? FP. Simple, just like that. So basically leli gama lithi NFP li abbreviated, meaning ukuthi igama lonke seliphelele lichaza ukuthi non-farm payroll. Le shandisi ke basically isuke ikhuluma ngemsebenzi yase-USA, like i-report nje. Ukubone nawe emsebenzini makuthiwa hayi senze i-report, ngahlahle usuke ukhipha i-information ngaloko osuke kwenzekile within the company. So basically nalaphayana i-country yase-USA ikhipha i-report yokuthi imsebenzi within the economy of i-country kwenzakalini ngayo. Yayibo lona, whether i-increasile or noma i-decreasile. Lento ke kodwa ke iya exclude within the company, i-exclude ama-farm, i-exclude u-government, i-exclude futhi nama private household and nama non-profits. Strictly nje kusuke lokho kungekho kule report ekusuke yenziwa i-USA. Excuse guys, sorry about that. So that is why it's called a non-farm, because ama-farm like imsebenzi edila nabalimi basically, excuse, nabalimi isuke ingafakwanga because lawo msebenzi le imsebenzi esizinayo. Uyazi nawe futhi mawulima kini uyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe umbila yabo ukhula ngesizini ethize, utamatisi ukhula ngesizini ethize, yabo mhlambe ilo u-anyanisi ukhula ngesizini. Akuyona into esuke ilo i-permanent, ngisho kanjalo. Kuya ngama seasons, uyabo lonto, njengoba nje sinema season ukuthi ubusika nehlobo. Same thing applies to le msebenzi esuke idila nabantu abalimayo, imisebenzi yabantu abalimayo basically. And leya markets leya sensitive. Ngomunye umzuzu izambane u-30 rand, ngomunye umzuzu lu-150. So abakwazi ukuyiscale kahle ilona khona i-market yakhona. That's why bengayi-include kule report le. That's why it's called non-farm payroll. So I hope we understand ukuthi iyini non-farm payroll, which is the NFP. Biggest market mover kwi-forex markets. And I'm sure nje uma uyi-forex trader ngeke ungayazi lento. Mhlawumbe it's because mhlawumbe we begin. So number 2, question yesibili would be ukuthi why is NFP so important? So why is NFP so important? Okay, wait, important. Fun facts. Number 1, itshengisa indlela i-economy yase-USA esuke ingakhona. Mangithi ingakhona i-healthiness yayo, yabo, whether ku-right noma ku-wrong, like iyatshengisa nje i-progress ye-USA. That's number 1, ukuthi isuke ichaza mayelana ne-USA ukuthi i-economy yakhona ikanjani. Number 2, ine-impact kuma-interest rates decisions lawa asuke elawulwa ama-Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve ibank basically. So ine-impact i-NFP concerning that. Nanokutshengisa-ke thirdly ukuthi imisebenzi are they strong? Mengithi are they strong, are they increasing like in terms of ukuba khona imisebenzi abantu baya-employ or noma it's decreasing like umsebenzi iyehla yini. So uma ukuthi imisebenzi iyanyuka, obviously ilona i-USD iba strong lapho, yabo, iba strong. Uma ukuthi kuyehla then iba weak, yayizona into engishoyo. So it's very important to know ukuthi ithini into yakhona with regards to i-economy, because iya-influence i-currency yakhona. Currency yakhona nje is majorly influence, and njengoba isuke i-influencer, isuke i-influencer i-currency yakhona, leyo currency le isuke isi-include la amanye ama-currencies outside, because phela i-USD iyi-base, yabo, of nje the whole world. So meke kwathinteka nje i-USD, uyazi ukuthi kunama-pairs lapha azoba involved. Number 1 i-Euro USD, number 2 GBP USD, number 3 USD JPY, then mase kuthi egcineni kube i-gold which is i-XAU, yabo. So konke lokhu ama-currencies which are affected uma ukuthi i-NFP is actually on the move. So those are the important things that you need to know about that. So, and then number 3, how does NFP affect forex markets? How does NFP affect forex markets? Okay, markets. Hey, I'm not writing it right lah. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. How does it? Number 1, kunama-spikes. Ama-spikes, they are too volatile. Mangithi volatile mfethu, it goes crazy, like iya spike, like iya shooter, and mayishooter ne-spread siba khona, yabo. Uma ukuthi ne-spread siyanyuka, uyazi-ke ama-pips nawo-ke amuva like in seconds. Ungathola ukuthi nje mayisithi nje mhlambe 2:30 ithi ya-spike, isuka from 50 pips to 100 pips in a second. So can you imagine ukuthi i-market lapho isuka i-volatile kanjani? So that's one of the things. And then another thing ukuthi yabo, mone account encane hambani, une account encane nje iyablowa streets, iyablowa, cause akufanele ukuthi mone account encane and then evalue wena over leverage, ungayenzi lonto, like in meaning ukuthi let's say une $10 account, wena uzofaka u15 u0.15 lots, u-expecting ku-NFP, it's going to blow. If ever let's say you are rejected at that moment, you are going to blow, my brother. You are going to blow. Uzoblowa nje straight, yayibona. And then ngithi ngisasho le ndaba yokuthi if it rejects, le shandisi le ukuthi iyenza i-fake move. I-fake move ukuthi mhlambe you know very well ukuthi izobhaya, but because i-market ivele iqalisele, and then masiyanyuka iyaphezulu ibhayi ihambe kule direction. So kunezinto eziningi ezenzakalayo at that moment eyenza ukuthi i-NFP mayiphuma ama-reports akhona, i-market nje ivele nje hey ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So those are the NFP, like those are the things that NFP affects with markets. Then which is number 4 manje, ungakwazi ukuyi-trader i-NFP. So basically that is a question osuke usuzibuza yona ke personal, say mina ngiyi-trade i-NFP ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi inama-consequences zakhona. Yayibona, let me write it down. Should you trade NFP? Should you, sorry, athi nginomkhuhlane nje. Should you trade FP? Okay. Number one, why trade? As long kodwa understand ukumanage risk nokuhandlisha i-volatility yakhona. So it's not about the matter of ukuthi ngiyi-trade noma ngayi-trade, but it's about understanding ukuthi okay lento ine-risk but mina ngizokwazi ukuyi-manage. But thina-ke senza ama-fundamentals-ke, hey, it's all or nothing. You know what I'm saying? All or nothing. That's what, like from experience nje, all or nothing. So another thing, abantu abaningi banokuthi bangafuni ukungena kwi-market before i-NFP, mhlambe 30 minutes before, even after, to avoid it. Uyabo ukuthi bangayi-trade. Abanye abantu benza njalo. Dependa kuwena ke ukuthi what is it that you want. Do you want to make money or do you want to lose money, yabo? So you make that decision. Yabo. Then after that, the last thing is you could wait for it ukuthi iqale nje idlule indaba ye-NFP idlule nje, then after usubonile ukuthi imarket no lesi spike esishayile siye ngakephi, then you can look for your setup and then continue trading as normal mayisidlulile. That's up to you, basically depends on umuntu, yabo. So that is mostly what is important that you need to know about the NFP. Then mhlambe ke the last thing to say ukuthi how do you prepare for your NFP? How do you prepare for, sorry, NFP? So how do you prepare? Definitely kumele ube umngani waleshandise kuthiwa economic calendar, whether uzoyibheka ku Forex Factory. Ngithanda Forex Factory mina because uyakwazi ukubacktesta kakhulu, akufani no-investing.com. Investing.com awukwazi ukubuyela le muva, yabo, awukwazi. But I prefer Forex Factory. Ungachecka wona ubheke ukuthi okay ngosuku oluthize kwenzakalani and what time, so uyazi ukuthi wena hayi ngiyaphuma la. Second thing, obviously, every first week of the month iyenzekile i-NFP. So wena ubheka nje ukuthi okay le first week le hayi angingeni kwi-markets because kune-NFP, yabo. That's the second thing. Nesikhathi sakhona usually dependa kuyindawo zokuyona. More like South Africa, it's usually 2:30 or 3:30, kuyadepend. Kodwa manje ke this month le i-NFP bingolesine, bingekho ngolesihlanu. I don't know why they changed it. And then ke last but not least, ukureduce i-lot size. I-lot size yakho ungayifaki mfethu beyond i-account yakho sukuyilodile, because you definitely blow, especially more ilo we-begin, yabo, especially nje more begin. So guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow us on TikTok. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. Ama-account ethu akhona lapho, and we're on the road to 5k subscribers, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Team Forex Moguls, guys. Asibangeni. If unenkinga, if unombuzo nawo, just holla kuma-comment and then I'll do the video for you. Let's get it. Danko.